In this video, I will gonna guide you how you can edit code in Shopify store. So first of all, head over to the online store, and the first thing that you need to keep in mind before editing any kind of code, you need to make sure that you have a copy of your main theme. So this is very important because if you kind of mess up with the main theme, this will gonna cause you a lot of trouble. So make sure to click on the duplicate and name it whatever you want to go with. So let's just say backup, and make sure to name it with a date. So in this case I will simply date it so that you can kind of know when you save this particular file with all the changes. So click on the save, and once you have make a backup, you just need to now click on the three dots and click on edit code. Now in this particular case I will gonna add kind of like a new section. So in this case it is on the left side, so make sure to know what you want to add in your Shopify store, whether it's an extra or you want to edit the particular existing code. It's up to you, but in this case, or in my case, I want to add a new section which is going to be liquid code, and I will gonna name it video and picture because I want to add a section in which I can show a video and a picture at the same time on my product page. So click on the done button, and after you have created your new code, you need to paste your particular code right in this place. So after placing your code, click on the save on the top right corner. So I forgot to enter the video URL and picture URL, so let me do it really quickly. So I have added the new section, but I also need to include it in my product page. So I will simply gonna go to the products and scroll all the way down, and I need to paste a particular code so that it can enable my new product page, just like so, and click on the save button on the top right corner. So after saving the changes, you can now go back to your Shopify store and click on the customize button. From there you just need to select your particular product page or anything that you have edited right now, and let's say you have added a section. This will gonna show in the section button, where you just need to select your particular new section and you are good to go. So that's the way of how you can edit code in Shopify store.